Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the MT5 application in your Android phone and also how you can open a demo account of whatever amount you want. So let's get started. Just click on the Play Store right here and right here MT5, and there you have it. On the second, we have this MT5 app. Just click on install and there we have it, guys. Let's click on open, click on accept, and it will ask you right away if you want to open a demo account. So we want to open a demo account because we want to practice our trades. Let's click on open an account and there you can configure it, guys. You can just write your first name, last name, your date of birth, your email ID, and the server and everything. We will keep it as it is. The deposit amount, that means of what amount do you want to open the demo account. $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, whatever you want. So let's open of 100,000. So here it is 100,000 US dollars, and click on accept. Just check this box and click on register. Now you need to mention your phone number as well. So let me just quickly mention it. Just enter the phone number and make sure it is correct and click on register and click on done. Now just note this credentials anywhere. It contains your login ID, your password, and investor account. So let's copy this and let me just paste it right here. So these are all my details saved and click on done. So immediately it will activate the demo account and now you can execute the trades. And now you can see the balance is here. 100,000 is the balance. And let's say I want to execute a trade on gold. Let's click on quotes here. And here we have different forex currencies, but I want to trade a metal, right? So I need to click on this plus sign right here and search for XAU USD. Hit enter, click it, and now you can find it right at the bottom. Just click here, click on new order, and if you want to execute right now, you can set the stop loss and take profit and click on, let's say I want to execute a long. I can click on buy here, and right now the market is closed, so that's why it doesn't enable the order. But just like that, you can enable the order. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you can open the demo account, download the MT4, and execute the trade on the app. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.